presentations. 7.1, Gullah Geechee proclamation. And I'll read the proclamation. The State of South Carolina, Hampton, County of Hampton, proclamation. Whereas during Reconstruction in 1878, Hampton County emerged from Beaufort County, South Carolina, to become the 33rd county in South Carolina. And whereas at its founding, Africans were brought into this region, and whereas these African people came to be known as Gullah Geechee, and whereas Gullah Geechee built churches and other historic institutions in Hampton County, including the first school for colored people established and built by Gullah Geechees in 1898. And whereas the Hampton Colored School was built in 1929 and still stands as a testimony to the architectural skills that Gullah Geechees brought to the South Carolina coast. And whereas numerous counties and cities in the state of South Carolina have chosen to celebrate this rich legacy by supporting the work of Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation and Quam Shaw of All Mobile Productions, who co-founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival as an event to continue to educate the world on this and other aspects of the Gullah Geechee story and culture. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to celebrate the continuation of Gullah Geechee traditions. And whereas Hampton County supports not only the festival, but also the Gullah Geechee Sustainability Plan to protect our coast environment and to keep Gullah Geechee culture heritage alive. And whereas a series of activities which will take place throughout Hampton County and the South Carolina coast to honor the history and legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation and to celebrate Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And whereas we join in celebrating the Gullah Geechee resiliency, and now therefore be resolved that Hampton County Council hereby declares July 29th, 2023 to August 5th, 2023 as Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Hampton County, South Carolina, and call upon the citizens of our county to participate in this celebration. It was adopted on the 5th of June, attested by Eileen Newton, Clerk of Council, members of Hampton County Council, Noah O. Alexander, Chair, Darren Williams, Vice Chair, Roy Lonsworth, Council Member, Jordan J.J. Jeets, Council Member, and Camille Welch, Council Member. We have the Chief Queen Quet with us, so if you want to say something real quick, and then we'll take a picture with you.
Sure, sir. Thank you. Good evening, Council. How are you doing?
Good evening.
So glad you could be back in Hampton, commenting like that for this show. Good news.
Yes, ma'am.
Because all the rest, you know I had to talk about that. Okay, you had a little bit about you get a little bit about Hampton lately, all over the world.
Yes, ma'am.
And,
Yes,
okay. So I'm so glad you could be here for good news this evening and things like that about Hampton County one more again. And thank you for holding on to that for me, because I've been a little bit busy in Beaufort County, and y'all probably done get it, but that too, in June. So I'm glad to be here one more again and things like that. And I know when I come in and a little bit, y'all chilling, I'm like y'all in the air to be tall, y'all are cracking teeth like this shit. So I know y'all think y'all real proper here in Hampton County and all of that. So sometimes y'all act like y'all don't know Gullah, you know it, you wave that. But the rest of them trying to show off and act cute tonight. But I'm so pleased to be back here. The last few years, y'all have always said to me, and you can attest to it, man, you gotta come for our watermelon festival. So I was here last year for it and had a very good time. Had some very good watermelon. I can attest to that now. And the ball peanuts were better than the watermelon. So y'all can put that on the record that the Queen said so. So I had a wonderful time, and I hope that you all will now reciprocate and come down to St. Helena Island with us Saturday, July the 29th, from noon to 4:30. We will be at the historic Penn Center, the Penn Center Landmark Historic District, and also our Reconstruction Era National Landmark Historical Park. We'll be celebrating Gullah Geechee Family Day and the launch of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. So y'all can load a truck full of good watermelon and bring them down too. We ain't gonna be mad, okay? Y'all can bring some balls, we ain't gonna be mad, okay? So please come on down with your dancing shoes and come have a good time with us. And we just appreciate Hampton County continuing to celebrate with us, because it's almost a decade, or right at a decade, since you all have been celebrating this week with us as well. So we're glad to be here, and thank you one more again.
The time again?
From noon to 4:30, and as I told them in Beaufort County, if y'all really bring your dancing shoes, that might not be 4:30 p.m., it might be to 4:30 head. So you know how we do, all right? I ain't gonna get mad. See, this is what I always love. Hampton County always spend money on their friends. Tell them other counties stop sending the queen the stuff in them paper folders.